Hi friends! Today I am showing you all of my Christmas pins! I hope you're having a very merry December 16th. It is day 16 of Vlogmas. We are going to kick this video off with my pin advent calendar. It was curated by my friend Mary over at Jolly Holiday with Mary. So I highly encourage you, after you watch this video, to go head over to her channel and see what pin I curated for her that she unboxed today. And we are going to be opening another little house today. This is a long house though, very cute. Well, it wouldn't be a good unboxing unless there was a pin I could give to Phil. And we have one here, day 16. It is a Miko pin. Phil absolutely loves Miko. And this pin is actually a limited release. It is the Disney Wisdom series. This is from 2019, and that is why little Miko here is blue. The whole series for Pocahontas had like a blue coloring to it. Mary, thank you so much. Now let's get into today's video. For my Disney Christmas pins, I gotta unwrap these 4 bags, but first let me show you the pins I already have. So first up, you may have seen both of these in my December pin tag. It is Minnie and Mickey with candy canes. Love these 2 pins. They are both rocking the buffalo plaid scarves, have these cute little candy canes, and have the most adorable outfits on. This one was also in my December pin tag. It is Minnie and Mickey with their little truck picking up a Christmas tree. This one is just adorable. They are sipping hot cocoa after picking their tree up, still in the same outfits that they were in those pins just before. Just like those other 3, I also got this one last year when we were on vacation in Walt Disney World. They had just come out with the Christmas pins and I had to get this one. It is Cinderella Castle as a gingerbread house. So Cinderella Castle here is looking absolutely gorgeous. She has frosting and candies and even a little Mickey. Then the last pin that I picked up for myself last year while at Disney World is this I Love Holiday Treats. It actually came in a pack with that other gingerbread house Cinderella Castle pin. Love this set. Wish they had something like that this year. So it says, I love holiday treats. We got Mickey gingerbread, lots of other snacks and treats, and a very glittery red background. And I believe I picked this pin up earlier this year in a trade. It is a Mickey ugly sweater. And this ugly sweater, it has beautiful gold metal and it has the Mickey shape right in the center of the shirt. And I think this adorable pin I'm going to show you next came right along with the sweater in like a set of some sort. I didn't get the pin originally, so I'm not really sure. But here is this cute little Mickey Jingle Bell. So this little Mickey Jingle Bell here is actually like screen printed on. They usually aren't my favorite style of pins, but this one is just so adorable. I could not say no. And finally, for the pins I already have, I hope you've been watching our Vlogmas because I opened this pin on the very first day. It is Wintry Christmassy Ariel. And Ariel here has some holly tucked in her hair, and she has a beautiful, cozy little shawl over her green Christmas dress. Okay, now we gotta unwrap these. So the first pin I picked up from eBay. It is this contemporary gingerbread house pin. And this is actually from 2014, was our first trip, Phil and I, with our entire family, 16 people total. And we did go to the contemporary and see this gingerbread display. So this has Anna and Elsa with Arendelle as a gingerbread house behind them. It does say 2014 on it, and the Contemporary Resort. This is also a limited release pin. Then I also found one for the Grand Floridian. I could not say no. This one is also from 2014. Again, it was actually Phil's very first trip with our family to Disney World, and we hadn't been since I was in high school. Phil originally hadn't been to the park since he was a baby, so in essence it was his first trip. This is Alice in front of the Grand Floridian gingerbread house. So Alice here looks like she's stringing up some garland. This is actually a pin on pin design. The last pin was as well. And it shows the beautiful Grand Floridian gingerbread house, and the date is on here too, but it's a little more hidden, which I do appreciate. This is also a limited edition of 3,000. Another eBay find, I got this Mickey with lots of beautiful Christmassy colors on it. So this Mickey has some beautiful designs. It really makes me think of the Grand Floridian, and it also has rhinestones all over it. Holly and berries. It's just beautiful, and it looks like this was from 2010. Well, I got the 2014 pins for our very first trip, so I could not forget about the trip that we got engaged. I got this Grand Floridian, also gingerbread pin, and it is a hinge pin, so it opens up and you see Minnie and Mickey kissing in front of the gingerbread display. So the front of the pin features the Grand Floridian logo, and it is a wreath with what looks like a gingerbread bow and candy. And then you open it up and Mickey and Minnie are in their finest, kissing under some mistletoe that Mickey's holding. And we have the Grand Floridian gingerbread house behind. This also has some beautiful glitter detail in the background. Very adorable pin. If we're being honest, I'm pretty sure the rest of these are from eBay, so all of the ones I got were from eBay. So this is from 2018. It is a Minnie pin, and she is wearing reindeer ears. So little Minnie here has her scarf on with some cute little prints, a plaid bow, and then lots of ornaments hanging off of her antlers. This pin is dated from 2005 and is a Mickey ornament. It says Walt Disney World on it, and it has beautiful red glitter with a gold medal. This one is from Tokyo Disney Sea. It is little Daisy Duck. And Daisy here has a glitter white tree behind her. She's wearing beautiful hot pink attire, and she has some pink ornaments on the tree. It says that this is celebrating what looks like the 15 years of Tokyo Disney Sea. If you know more about that Tokyo Disney Sea pin, let me know in the comments. I also got this Minnie Mouse ornament style pin. It looks like it's from 2014 or 16. It's very small, so I can't see. But this is a pin on pin design, and it has a ribbon as though it would hang on a tree, and you probably could hang it on a tree. Beautiful glitter white and gold background, and it says Mistletoe Kisses. Then we got a pair of Minnie and Mickey pins in Santa hats. These are from 2012, and Minnie and Mickey are just looking so happy that it's Christmas. Their hats are very glittery, and they have a beautiful little holly accent on the hat. I also picked up another Minnie from 2018, and she is rocking the holiday prints. So Minnie here has a cute little plaid skirt. She's got that scarf she had in that antler pin, and an adorable little present, probably for Mickey. All right, so I do have one that I got in a giveaway. So not everything's from eBay. It is this adorable little Olaf pin. Not perfectly Christmas, but I did say I was gonna put it on my Christmas board. So little Olaf here has beautiful white glitter and little snowflakes on his snowy body. Very cute. And finally, I am so excited to have this one. By far my favorite of all that I have shown you. It is Little Mermaid, and she is the 7 swans swimming. So I would assume that there are a whole 12 days of Christmas out there. So I need to collect 11 more apparently. Looks like this pin is from 2009, and it's a limited edition of 300. It has a little swan hanging on a chain, and it says 7 swans swimming, and Ariel's hair has beautiful Christmassy candy ornaments all in it. She's just looking so Christmassy, like she's meant to be in her red and green. Well guys, that is it. All of the pins for our Christmas pin haul. Let me put them up on our little display in the front of our home, and I will show you what it looks like. And here it is, home for the holidays with my Disney pins. Before you go, we wanted to make sure you had a chance to catch our feature in-park video for Vlogmas. You can find a link to the video up above or down in the description. Since we just wrapped up our Christmas 2016 trip, we wanted to share some more magical in-park videos for you. This is from my first time ever seeing Happily Ever After on our March 2018 trip. I hope you'll go give it a watch.